Let me share my screen. Okay. So let me connect to this SQL server. I'll just provide password here. Then mandatory and then the server certificate. Click on connect here. Go to this databases. So here you have BI 28012025. Select this and go to new query window. So we'll get a new session window here. Right. So what we'll talk here. So yesterday and day before yesterday we spoke about the joins. So let's work on aggregate or group function. So that is also called as aggregate or group functions here. So we have, so what is that aggregate or group function? We'll talk on that. So we have some different types here. Sum, min, max, average, then counter. So these are the different, so what sum will do? It will get sum of all records. So means, so what min will do? Min value out of all the records, max value out of all the records. So average, so it will do sum of all values by number of records, and count is total number of records from that table. Okay, right. So this is to get sum of values here. This is to get minimum value. This is to get max value. This is to get, who is that? Get max average value. So it is nothing but total values total by number of records. And this is to get total number of records. Okay, this is what. So what? So this is all okay, but on what basis you get this? So I want to find out example. So I have a requirement to find. Have you not? Who is this person, Surya? ఇష్టం లేకపోతే రాకండి బ్రదర్, ఎందుకు రావాలి చెప్పండి. వచ్చి ఏదో ఫోన్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఏదో ఇక్కడ ఎవరు అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటా మీరు రమ్మని చెప్పి తీసుకుంటున్నాం మేము. ఏదో దిగ్విజయ్ ఫోన్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు, ఇంకో అతను నాగు అని ఫోన్లో నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు రమ్మంటున్నారు ఇక్కడ ఎవరన్నా? వచ్చి ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు అందరు? మీరు ఒకరు వచ్చినా నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పుకుంటాను. ఏదో టైం పాస్ కి ఫోన్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి అక్కడ ఇక్కడ చేసేదంతా. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ టు ఫైండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ salaries paid to each department. So we have something 10, the department number 10, 20, 30 kada. I wanted to find for each particular department. Similarly, I want to so find the max salary paid to each department. It might be max salary or min salary. So I'm saying for each department. Okay. So the next is I want to find sum of salaries paid to each department based on gender. So you have male and female, right? Similarly, I want to find the sum of salaries paid to each city wise. I want to find out, right? Na? So if you totally want to find sum of salaries, right, it's very easy. Sum of salaries of total table. Let's go. So I'll tell you. Let's go to the table that we created. So go here. We have got some employee table. Na? Do we have employee table? Yes, we have. Go here. So here you see. So ID, name, sal, department number. So I'll just do it like this. Select sum of salary from employee. What happens? You'll get sum of total salary of this all the records. This is very easy. You have got. I want to find min of salary. Simple. You'll put that min function and you'll put that column name of salary. Select max of sal from EMP. Take this, execute here. So min 4,000. That is min is 4,000. Now let's go to max. You have got 10,000. Now I'll go here. Select count. In count, you have to give star. Star is of all columns or all records. Now you'll get total number of records here. You got three there. You have got, ne? Absolutely, it is working, right? So that is simple. But so our requirement is not to find total salaries paid to all employees. Our requirement is to find. Tell me. Better you call me after the session. Na? I'm in the session. I've removed it. Why did I've only removed it. You are supposed to join the class and be silent. If at all you have got doubt, you should have unmute and talk. But you are speaking somewhere and you have been in class and you have called on the mobile number now. Why do you call on my mobile number now? You should have called after the class session, right? What is that so emergency? Phone charging it. Yeah. Right. So if you see here, sum of salary to total. So I'm taking sum of salary paid to entire table. So I've used small function of sum and the salary column I'm using here. Min Salary column I pays to get minimum salary. Max salary column to get max salary played. Count to get total number of records. So this is working fine. But I don't want like this. So this is simple, right? Na? So if you really go for Excel, you can also do it this all. But I don't want like this. So let me go to the Excel here. Okay. So I have ID, name, sal, department number, sex, and city. So these are the five columns that I want to go on. I'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. So let's go with A, some B, C here, D here, E here, F here, G here, H here, I here, J. 10,000, 12,000, 3,000. Sorry. Okay. Let's go and add this plus 5,000 something. Right. Super. So I'm adding 5,000 more for each employee. 10 department, 20 department, 30 department, again 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10 here. Right, I'll go here, I'll give male. For this person, I'll give female. This person will give male. This person will give female. Okay. Now city. What I'll go here. So we should have a few more records also for 10. I'll just go and have that also. 11. Then I'll get this here. Okay. I'll go with 10. Then male 12. Get this female, right? So I'll take few more records for 10, for this 13 M. Then I'll have this 10 year, 10 year female 15. So I'll go like this only. I'll have the same O. Then I'll get this 10 year male. Okay. Now, right now. So here I'll give Hyderabad. Here also I'll give Hyderabad to this person. Then I'll give Vijayawada or something or Warangal. Okay. I'll give Warangal here also. The same I'll follow the pattern here also for this person. So we'll go with Vijayawada like this. Vijayawada. Then let's go with Pune something. Then Pune. Then Vijayawada. Okay, na? They should work us. Now let's go with this person. So I'll give male, then female, male. So we have got only two. So let's go and have 2 to 3 records here. 16. Then P. Let's go here. 20. Then female, na? Right. So let's go 17 Q here, then 20 male, R 20, 19 S. Let's go here. I have 20 here, then male. I'll have one more record. 20 T female. Okay, right. So we have got. So for female, so for 20, I'll give this as Mumbai 1. So for again, I'll give here also Mumbai. Okay. So this one I'll give Chennai. So I'll find out same person of female. So Chennai here. TK na. So here I'll go and have here as uh, what do we say? Which right? Well, let's go here. Delhi. Okay. Delhi here. Here let's go with some Goa here. Then Delhi. This should be fine. Right now. Let's go with department 30. So why I'm doing, I'll tell you because I want to play with the group. So you need to have some records. So that is the reason I'm doing it. I'll show you also. Right. So I think this will not work in our case. This all will not work. So that formula will not work. I'll try to have 4,000 like this. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. Okay. Right now go to 30 department here. So male, female, male here. Okay. So I'll go here for this person. We'll go with what will go? Okay. We'll go with Hamidabad. Yeah. We'll go with Indore. We have not filled this 20 department here. Sorry. Lemo here. We have left over 20. So let's go give here Mumbai. Right. We are only left over 30 department. Let's go here. So I'll give Indore. This also I'll give Indore. So we are left over with 3 1 record. So we'll give something like US. Okay. Right. Let's take one more record for 30 female. 21. Okay. So 21,000. 30 female will give us US. Okay. Huh? This is how. So see here. I made different department 10, 20, 30, and I have 6 male and female. I have got city wise also. I've got city wise this data. So my requirement is to find sum of salaries paid to each department. So simple. You'll go here. So how does SQL work is like this, it will work. So first it will try to get, I'm getting this column names, put it here. Right? I'll get it, I'll go and I'm going to get the column names first. So okay. So first I want department. So I'll just go here. I will have it. So go and get department 10. So I'm only for department 10, I'm doing it, not for anything. So this also, here also you'll have TK, na? This one. So what I want to find out? I want to find out sum of salaries paid to department wise. So I have brought department wise here. So I have nothing to do with these 2 columns because I wanted only salary department wise. So I require only salary and department number. So I'll remove, right? So can you find out this? So you do this sum here, you'll find out 87,000. Similarly, you'll have 20 department. So this is easy for single column. This is easy for single column. Now take this column names here. If you are doing with single column group by, it's very easy. But if you are doing by multiple column, then it would be hard. I'll tell you. Now take this, put here. Now take this here. From here till here. Copy this, put here. So you don't require these two columns, right? Just remove, right? So this is easy when you go with a single column group by clause. This is how SQL Server will do it. First, it will try to take that particular records into one group. So this is by grouping I'm doing it because department wise. So you'll take all the records of particular department and what values you wanted, you are taking that columns here. Now I'll do it for department 30 here, right? So let me do for department 30. Take this. So here we have. This is how it works with your internal department wise. Fine. Here you got salary. Then you got department number. Right? Na? So you got. So it's very easy, na? It's very easy. Right? It's very easy now. Now the next one is I want to find department number wise. Department number equal to 10. Okay. Then city male wise. So I wanted sex is equal to male year. Department equal to 10. Sex is equal to male. Department number equal to 10. Okay. Department number equal to 10 and sex is equal to this. So let's go here. So this one, right? Take here. So I'll have, yeah, take this first, have this all columns here. Then we'll remove what is not required. Then get this. So this one, department number and sex male. Department number 10, sex male year. Department number 10, sex male. Department number 10, sex male. Department number 10, sex male. Right? Na? So what all we require now? We require salary, department number and sex. Total salaries paid to each department based on gender. Salaries paid to each department based on gender, sex. So you require these three columns. Leave these all. ठीक है ना? It's working, right? Now I'll go here. I'll have department number equal to 10, sex female now. Now let's go and get, I'll get this. So take this one. Female. Take this one. Right, na? Right? So I'll just remove these two columns. Next, I want, so we have department number 20, then sex male. Take this column. So internally SQL Server will do like this only. We have not come to the syntax part, but this is how it works. Take this. Okay, so remove these two columns now. We don't require that. So this is how SQL Server will do grouping. Now let's go with now let's go with department number equal to 10, sex is equal to male, then city wise will go. Okay. So I'll take this people, Hyderabad. So I'll have it here. So let me remove this one column from here. Okay. So you see here, I'll take this column names also. Right now. So I don't require this. I'll have now total Hyderabad department number 10 and male. So I'll have this also. I'm removing this. Now I'll just check. Do I have Hyderabad? No. Now I'll go here. Department 10. So I'll check. So I've got, I'll just check male 10 department. So I've got Warangal. I'll go here. I'll have one more row here. Okay. Now go to this. This is how it is going to work. Now you need to make query. You need to get the data like this first. This is how you need to visualize before you do it. So if you totally go for department 10 female, take this Vijayawada female wise. Now take this right now. So you got this one. Right? So you see this male department number and Hyderabad, department number 10 male Warangal, department number 10 female Vijayawada. So you have to figure out like this and get that particular record. So you have Pune also. So you see here, you have got Pune. Right? There is only one employee for Pune. Right? Na? Right? So this is how it works. So grouping is this only. So we are not going with entire table. We are grouping it. So here we have brought one group of 10. Here we have brought group of department 20. Here we have got group of 30. Out of that, we are finding whatever we require. So you can find the sum of salaries from here. You can find min salary, max salary, count of all records. So the same thing. Group by department number sex. Group by department numbers female. Group by department number and sex here. Here you see group by department number, sex and city. Group by department number, sex and right. So these all you have right now. So these all you are having it right. So this is how you need to do it. So let's go and have create this table. So first, so we'll create with same data. But what is the syntax of doing this? So we are doing this is all okay. So for every syntax, for every statement, you are having some syntax, right? For aggregate, aggregate, or group by functions, or we can say this as clause also. Clause. For this, what is the syntax? Right? So select start from. So you know star or columns from. So I'm giving space there from table. Okay. Table one. Group by. Right? So based on what groups you want to get. So I want to get department wise and I'm going here, right? I'm saying sum of sal here. So what is that I'm doing here? Column. So what column you specify here, right? Here, group department number. That should be part of your select clause. So the column that you have specified in group by year, that column should be part of your select statement. Otherwise, your select statement will not work. Similarly, you see here, select sum of sal from table 1, group by department number and sex. So you are using these two columns in group by column in group by these two columns. So these two columns should be part of your select statement. Okay. Similarly, select sum of sal from table 1, group by department number, sex, city. So you wanted to do group by that particular columns, right? Those columns should be part of your select statement, right? So if at all we don't do, what happens here? We'll see. So I'm saying you that what columns are part of this group by. So on what basis you want to do group by? So for that purpose only, I have divided as a group and showed you, right? So we want to do group by department number. So we brought all data with based on department number. Here I have told based on department number 6. I have told here based on department number 6 and city, right? So those columns should be part of your. If at all you don't give, what happens? We'll see what happens. Okay, right. Let's go and insert this data. I'll insert same data as it is. I'll not make any change. Right now, let's go. I'll create a small table. Create table emp underscore group. Okay, so let me see what ID name Salina. ID int name varchar 10 year, then sal decimal 18 comma 2, then department number int here, then what is that we have sex. So I'll go and have varchar 10 and city. So varchar 20. Okay, na? Right, I'm creating a table. AB by department by emp underscore group group. Okay, right. Now let's go and execute this statement. So table has got created. Let's go to the object explorer. Go to this database. Go to this tables here. So you will have emp underscore group here. Right now, ID name sal department was sex group. Sorry, ID name sal department was sex city. Right. So yeah. Now let's go here. Let's go and insert the data. I pasted. So let's go. So what I'll do, I'll have insert into emp underscore group values right now. So I'll take this. Later I'll make the change. So let me insert these records. Sir. into the table. Then we'll talk on the what we have discussed. Right. I'll just close this also. I'll close this bracket. So right. Let's go here. TK. TK. Na? Right. So I'll just go here and do this. TK. Na? Right. Let me go here. I have comma. Right. Absolutely right now. Now let's go. Why this is coming? Okay. So let's go here. Right. So we are done. So last column we are left over. Let's go and give that. Right now. Right. Just a minute. So we prepared the table. 1 minute. Right. So data is, we have data here, right? We have data. Now I'll try to execute this data into table. I'll insert data into this table. So data has got executed here. You can see. Now let me take this data, this table name, and come back here. Select start from, right? Try to execute this. So you've got this, right? Now, so the first requirement of mine is requirement. So you have data now. So mine first requirement is I want to find the sum of salaries paid to each department member or each department I want to find. Okay, right. Let's go there. Select from table, EMP underscore group is a table. So what is that I'm finding? Sum of salaries for paid to each department. So sum of salaries, right? So I'll go here. Sum of sal. If I do here, what happens? You will get only total salary paid for all employees. This is wrong, na? This is wrong, right? That is wrong. If at all you do this, we don't want like this. We want it for each department. So what is the department? So you need to for each department. So we will need to group it. So we have done like this, na? We have bifurcated data for each department like this. So we brought salary. This salary we are giving in. Now this department should be part of your group plus because it's not that you're paying for all. You. It's not that we wanted sum of salaries for each department paid. We wanted sum of salaries paid to each department. So we need to do it group by. So we right. So I'll go here. Department number. So I told this department number what you do here, that is in the group clause, should be part of your select statement. That is absolutely right. If it is not there, if the department number, so I told this department number which is part of your group clause should be part of your select statement. If it doesn't work, if at all you don't give the department number column the select statement, what will happen? Okay. Now try to execute here. You see here you got 87,000, 1,05,000, you got. So now you tell me this 87,000 belongs to which department number? 1 lakh 18, 80, 1 lakh 5,000 belongs to which department number? 39 belongs to which department number? Because we wanted sum of salaries to be paid for each department. But we are doing right. What is sum of sal from table name group by department? That is right. But we are not able to figure out to which department. So that is the reason you what is a part of your select statement here department number should be department number which is part of your group clause should be part of your select statement here. Now try to execute here. Right? Now you are getting right. 10 is for 10 department 87,000, 20 department 1,05,000, 30 department 30,000, 39,000. And here you see no column name. Right? No column name. Why you are getting? Because you are using inside function, you are using that column name. And for that column, you are getting no column name because you are not using directly column in the select statement. In function, you are using column name. So that will not give a column name. So you need to go and give alias here as. So I told you alias for table, right? Similar to that, this we are giving alias to column here to total salary, total salaries. Okay. Now try to execute here. Right? You have got total underscore salaries because I've given alias and you have got department number also. Right? Na? Similarly, I want to find the sum of salaries salaries paid to each department by sex wise. So when I say I want to do by each department and sex wise, this should go under group clause. So just see here, select sum of sal from EMP underscore group by department number and sex. So now I'm not giving this two columns in this select statement. See here, it worked, but you don't know what is the department number and who is the sex here. Okay, that is all. Now I'll only give, so here I've got two columns, right? Can I give only single column here? Can I go and say department number here? Here in the group clause, I've got two columns. Can I go and say only one column department number? No, you can't say. Your statement will fail now. Either you say what all columns that are part of your group clause in the select statement, or you don't say. Then only it will work. You can't specify only one or two columns here and remaining columns you leave from select statement, then it will fail. Just see here. Oh, you got. Okay. So now also you see. So I'll just go here and say as total salaries here. Okay. So go here, try to specify this. So total underscore salary, you got department 10 here, right? Huh? But where is sex here? I have not mentioned this column name, right? This sex, go and mention this. Just do it. So department 10 female, department 10 male, department 20 female, department 20 male here, department 30 female, department 30 male here, right? Na? This is a. Now I want to find the sum of salaries paid to each department by sex and city wise. So just go select sum of sal as total underscore salaries, total sal from EMP underscore group, table name, group by department number, sex, and city year. So now you see I'm not mentioning that the columns which are part of group in the select statement. Let's see what will happen. It is working. It is not throwing error. But to know this data 22,000 or 18,000 or 8,000 belongs to which department, which city and sex, you need to mention that those column names here. Take these column names. Right? Oh God. So now, so here so this is okay. Came from this particular department number only. From this particular department number. Can I go and find, because this department number is 10, can have some min max all from this particular department in single statement? So here you see, I was using only select here. I was using only sum. Can I have all functions in single statement? Take this, go to other query here. So I'll have here. So let me go like this. Yeah. Min of sal as min sal, max of sal as max sal, right? Average of sal as average sal. So count star year, that is to get total number of records for. So I'm see here, I'm using all the statements for this particular department. So here, if you see here, so what is the max salary here? 50,000 is max. If you go to this grouping, is max salary is 15,000. Min salary is 1,000 a year. Total salary of this is somewhere 18,000. So 18,000. And average, so you take this all, divide by number of records. So you're getting some 9,066.67 something. So you're able to find out from this department. So you'll get from this also. You can go and get with that particular department, you can go. And here also you can get it. Here also, because you're doing with two columns grouping, right? So let's go here. I'm using all the functions here. Can I use? Yes, you can use it. There is no harm in using it here. So there is no restriction also. Now just go. So department wise, so you got nine. So yeah, I'll give here as total records here. Okay. Now try to execute. Department 10, 9 records. So total salary is 87,000. Minimum salary out of the department 10 is 1,000. Max is 15. Average salary is 966.6666. You are getting it, right? So similarly, can I go and do for sex also here? So we'll get female and male, right? For each department, run here. So 10 department, you got 4 records, you got min max salary. Here also 10 department male, 20 department female, right? 20 department male here, right? So go here. I want to do group by city. Now execute, right? So department wise, male, sex wise, Pune, city wise, you see here. Department 10, female, Vijayawada. Department 10, male, Hyderabad. Department 10. So you got max, so you got total salary, minimum salary, max salary, average salary, number of records of that group also you got. Right now? Right? This is how you do it. Okay? So this is how you do it grouping. So while doing grouping, can I go and use the joining also? So we had got a table, right? Select start from depart, some depart info. So this table we have, right? These three tables, these three, right? Can I use the join in our select statement? Yes, you can use it. Do it here. Inner join depart underscore info, right? So I'm giving alias E. I'm here, I'm going here, department D here, right? On E dot department number equal to D dot department number. Okay, na? So, right? So you can go and execute here. What is that? 1 minute. I have 1 minute. So grouping has not got the here you got. Select start from. Let me check out. Underscore group. Right? Let me execute this. So here also you have got department number only, na? Then why it is not giving here? Ambiguous. Why ambiguous? We have called here. You see, this is saying that ambiguous here, ambiguous name. Yes. So now the question is why ambiguous here? So no name also. Here you got name only, and here you got department name. So what is ambiguous here now? Right. I'll tell you what is that. So here you got department number, right? Here also you got department number. This depart underscore info has got department number, employee underscore group has got department number. Now here you have used this department number. Here also you have used department number. Tell me from which table you want to take. So I'll take it from E dot. I'll take here also E dot. Because two tables has got same column name. It is not able to figure out from which table it has to take. Now that area, so I'm taking from employee table only. I'm doing grouping by employee table only here. Now try to execute here. Okay, it's worked out. So you can use. But I want to find, so here I've got department number, right? So I want to have department name also. Can I go and have? Yes, you can have. Go here, comma, D dot department name. Now try it. So I'm specifying this column name here, right? So these are the functions, right? These all are functions. Sum, min, max, or functions here. Sum, min, max, average, counts are functions. So these are the three columns, four columns I'm taking here. So these three columns are part of your employee, and this D dot name is part of your department table. And these three columns are part of your group by now. But this name of the column which is part of your department name from department, I'm not specifying group clause. Will that work? It will fail now. What it is telling you? In column depart underscore info column is invalid because this select list in the select list because it is not contained either in the group or group function or group clause, aggregate function or group clause, right? So now, so whatever the columns that you have apart from the group functions, those columns should be part of your group clause here. The column names you have specified these here, right, are part of select statement, which are not used in any group function. Those columns should be part of your group clause. Otherwise, it will fail. Now it is getting failed here. You are getting. So, so these three columns are already specified, right? Here, these three columns, that is department number, sex, city are already mentioned, but D underscore D dot department is not mentioned here, right? Right? Now try to execute here. So you got department number and department name here. You got department number, you got department name. You got department number and you got department, right? This is how it works. Okay. So here we have seen this using grouping. So how does it work based on grouping and what all you need to take? So it work with, we have worked with department number, we have to work with department six, we have worked department six city, and we have seen if the columns that are part of your select statement are not part of your group clause, what will happen? And if at all you don't do give these columns which are part of select statement and you are not mentioned in the group, or the columns which are part of select statement are not mentioned in the select statement, what happens? We have seen, right? So this is about your grouping. Okay? Any doubts here? I'm telling you, subject would get little bit complicated now. I'm telling you, if at all you just come here and watch on phone. I see when session was starting, I see 21 people. Now I see 13 people only, including me. Okay? So when you come to Azure, right, I don't see these many people also. Because you don't practice and you come to the session, you don't understand anything. When you come to Azure, remember, I'll not see hardly more than five people. subject would get critical. If at all you don't understand these all, you will not understand there. These are interlinked one. Okay. It's all up to you whether you want to practice or not. But I'm just trying to tell you, if at all you have not yet started, start practicing it. We have already done around some 12 sessions till now. Okay? Right. Any doubts here before we wind up? Any doubt?
Yeah, I have a doubt. If we want to display the row, if we want to display the column in the ascending or descending order, like is there any function to do it?
Do, na? Do this order way.
Okay.
With what you want to do. You want to do department number?
Yeah. Like anything.
Do it, na? You got all department number first.
Okay.
You want to do by E dot 6 here. So you got male and then female. Then department number, male and female. Then department number, male and female. Okay.
Okay. By default, it will take as ascending
Ascending
order.
order. I'll do
Okay.
this as descending order. 6. So did you see? You got male. Previously it was male, female, right?
Yeah.
It is. So by default it is ascending order.
Okay.
Okay? Right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Chalo. We'll wind up here. We'll connect again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. We'll have session. So that is Friday for you people. So we'll have. Okay? Right. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.